This is how I made 132 in 3 minutes just trading the S&P 500. So I caught this nice bounce support here and I took calls right at open, guys. How did I take calls right at open and what led me to take calls right at open? But last night at 8:30 p.m. guys, you guys can see I mentioned to the Discord that there's a SPY 4-hour cup and handle, and on the 1 hour we're building a nice support here with a bullish flag. So there's lots of reasons that we're holding a nice support area to be here and a lot of reasons to be bullish, because guys, a cup and handle pattern is bullish. Higher the time frame, the stronger the move, and on the 1 hour time frame we're holding that zone. If we pull a Tesla and bounce right at open, I'm definitely taking calls. And so this is where I do the comparison to Tesla and SPY, because guys, this is Tesla right here at the bottom. Tesla also did something very similar where it holds the zone support in the pre-market and it instantly bounces. So I'm thinking the same thing for SPY. This is SPY right here. It's holding it in the pre-market low. It did come to retest around the fib level, but ultimately guys, we ended up bouncing. And so that's what led us to take calls, because guys, look at this. Look at the time frames. Look at the 5 minutes. That's why I even entered. 5 minutes comes back to retest this zone before 6 a.m., 30 minutes before. Then 6 a.m. hits and we start building this nice buyer momentum. Higher highs, higher lows start kicking in. Lots of buyer candles. First, we get these wicks to the downside, wick to the upside, but then bulls start stepping in. Lots of buyer candles. Buyer candle above the zone, guys. This is my favorite setup right here. When you get a close above the zone, right before pre-market even opens, I'm taking calls. And I kept telling the Discord guys, I'm taking calls at open. Let me do it. I'll take the risk. You guys sit out. I'm going to take calls at open. That's what I kept saying. I said, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is and I'm going to take calls at open. You guys can sit out. I'm so confident in calls that I'll do it. Watch me take this win. And that's honestly what I did. As soon as it opened, I was so confident in calls. I bought as much as I could. 6 contracts. And guys, 132, easy 35% gain. And that's all you need. These are my favorite type of setups, because when you already notice in the pre-market that there's a setup building there for you to enter at open, you just do it. If I would have hesitated or waited for a little bit more, I would have been chasing. My entry would have been horrible, and most likely I wouldn't have secured as much as I did today. Now the real risk, guys, was literally just taking calls right at open, because you never know what honestly can happen. It can dip down below, but honestly, if it would have dipped down below pre-market low, which is just anywhere in this general support area, you can create any type of support area, but you guys can see right here that around this general area, it does like to bounce. I would have just cut it if it would have broke below those general areas, but we never even did below. Straight instant rocket. That's kind of what Tesla did as well. So this is Tesla, guys, real quick, and then this is the wrap up for this little quick video. I did not even do any type of trade lives or anything, but this is Tesla, guys. Tesla does literally the same exact thing that SPY just did today. So that's why I was so confident in SPY today, because it looked exactly like what Tesla did the other day. Pre-market holds that zone and instant rockets right on that support at open. So I hope you guys caught something today, guys. I'm sorry I didn't live record it. I did say that I do not plan to trade today, but honestly, this type of setup gave me the motion to take an entry right at open, so we did. Catch you guys on the next trade video. Hope to see you guys in the trade zone, and this is exactly why you guys need to hop in the Discord, because if you're not in it, you wouldn't have known that this was even a possible entry or a setup. Don't miss out. Hop in the Discord and you will get some fire ass trade ideas just like these all the time.